In this video, I'm going to share with you several ways to color in a stamped image and give you some troubleshooting tips at the end. Here I chose a wet acrylic brush and I'm just going to color, and it's going to give it kind of a watercolor look. Next, I choose a round brush, and this one, it looks more solid filled in, so kind of more like acrylic paint or a marker. Next, I'll show you the most common is where you just drag the color from the top and you drop it right in to the shape. Just like that. Now wait, look at the top. Do you see how that popped up, the color drop? That is how you just tap and color in your stamps. And that's how I normally color in my stamps when I have a lot of different colors to do or a detailed image. And then you want to make sure that you make a dark background if you want a white image, because you may forget that that needs to be white, and that way it'll pop out. And be careful not to touch the wrong thing or it's going to tap the wrong part. So back up and make sure you only tap what you want it to color, not the lines. If this was helpful, let me know in the comments.